Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter in a gift card code on your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to go ahead and redeem a game or points or something like that, go down to the Nintendo eShop, press A on this and open this up. Go to your name. Then this is really easy to do. All you have to do is scroll down. So on the left side, scroll on down, we can see coming soon, Nintendo Switch Online. And eventually we will find enter code way on the bottom if this ever loads. All right, here's enter code. Then we want to go to the right and then select this. Right in the middle of the screen, it says these types of codes can be entered below: Nintendo eShop prepaid codes, Nintendo Switch Online membership codes, other redeemable codes. Availability of some codes may vary by country. Select A on that. And then type in the code. So I'm just going to type in some random number. So don't try to copy this. Then press the plus icon. And then it should go ahead and redeem it. Unless you typed in the wrong thing. So you can go up to the top right now and go to your profile icon. And select this. And then you should be able to see the available funds on your account. And then if you did buy something, you can also go to where it says re-download something if it didn't download right away. And you can download it to your account. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.